How to outsource SEO content, easy tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to outsource your SEO content for your website or e-commerce store. So let's get started. First, you need to understand what is SEO content. SEO content stands for any content that is SEO friendly. That means it is search engine optimized, and if you write a blog on your website, if you add images on your website, if you have designing website, the domain name that you create, it should be SEO friendly so that your website rank higher in Google search result. So the content should be SEO friendly, and how to create SEO friendly content. And if you do not have time to do that, how to hire people in order to create that content for you that will help with your business. So that's what we will cover today. We will be using two freelancing platforms today, Fiverr.com and then we have Upwork.com. These are freelancing platforms with a lot of different freelancers available in every of the niche. The niches that we can go for on this platform are graphic and designing, then we have gaming, virtual designs, we have product building, designing, writing and editing and others. So first of all, let's actually get an example of any kind of content you want to create. Let's say that I have a blog and I'm looking for a writer to write SEO content for me. I want someone to write SEO friendly blogs for me or articles. How to find the best writer? I will go to Fiverr.com and I have created an account. On Fiverr, you can see we have all the niches, and I'm going to go to writing in translation. Here we have other options, but I'm going to click on articles and blog post. But if you prefer any other, for example, script writing, you have like speech writing, copywriting, then you will select that option. So I'm going to select article and blog post. All right, so it will take me right here to this section, and first of all I can select a language. So I'm going to go with English so I can customize my search. Then we can also select a niche, for example, internet and technology, health and medical, lifestyle. So I am going to be writing a lifestyle blog, so I'm going to select lifestyle. This will customize my search and find the best results for me. Moving on, we have service option, and in service option we went with English and lifestyle. Then we have seller detail and budget. Now, this is an important option that I will suggest you guys to go for. If you have a certain budget in mind, you want to get 10 articles done in $100, or if you want to write one, you want to get written an article for like $20 or $30, then you will enter your budget here. After that, you will be able to see all of the freelancers available, the writers, SEO friendly writers. There are 10,000 services available. So first one, you can see I will write compelling beauty content as I selected my category SEO optimized. Now they're telling me that they will write SEO friendly blogs. This person right here, I will write quality SEO articles on education, teaching and learning. Okay, I will write SEO friendly content for your blog or website. Then we have this option again, SEO content writing, SEO blog post. You can see a lot of them are focusing on the word SEO because they also understand that SEO is important. SEO friendly blog and post writers to engage audience. Okay, SEO blog post and others. So the freelancers available here are not that expensive. If you are wondering, you can get your articles done in a minimum budget. If you want, you can hire people for very cheap prices. To be honest, if they are a beginner, they will work for you for like $10 or $20. And if you want to hire a pro freelancer, then you will have to pay maybe like $200, $300, or even thousands if you want. So you can see they have good reviews. This one has like 200 reviews, 5-star reviews. I will write 1,000-word article or blog on skincare. I will write SEO friendly blog, 5 stars. So this looks good. I'm going to open this gig up. Alright, so we have their basic plan. Here I'm getting some of the details. A shout out to all the people that I'm mentioning. You can see SEO driven title, original, high quality, and it is going to be SEO friendly. That's what they say. And they will write an SEO friendly blog for me. I can also give them different instructions according to my blog, that what I'm looking for. They have 5-star reviews. This is actually pretty impressive. And you can also read reviews before you hire someone. So To continue, you will click on continue. If you want to compare your packages with other freelancers, you can do that. So the delivery date is 2 days, and again, the SEO keywords will be used and topic research will be done before they create a blog for me. So this is an important part. In SEO, keywords are important part, and writing a SEO friendly title. So this is for writing. You can see I can outsource my SEO content. Similarly, let's say that I have a website and I want to actually find someone for the SEO of my website. So you can go to the programming in tech and you can go to WordPress. We have web programming, desktop apps, and then we have desktop applications and others. You can also go to the trending here and you will find search engine optimization. Here you can find people who work on off-page SEO, on-page SEO, keyword research, technical SEO, competitor analysis, full SEO package. So this is going to be like for a website instead of the content. They will optimize your website. They will work on the SEO of your website rather than working on the content. So keep that in mind. If you want to look for an SEO friendly content, then of course you will go to that specific niche and find people to write SEO blogs for you, to design SEO friendly images for you, to actually do a voice search for you. So let me show you Upwork.com too, to just give you an idea. On Upwork again, we have development and IT, designing and creative, finance and accounting. Also, if you're wondering if the freelancing platform are free or not, these are completely free and you can sign up as a client to hire people. So here again, what I'm going to do is we can go to the writing and translation again, and I'll be able to show you that how you can hire someone on Upwork. So here I can like go for copywriters, hire the best copywriters. So you can see we have like these copywriters and what they're saying on Upwork. We can also find really professional people and they're actually provide SEO friendly blogs, and you can actually see that what freelancer has more reviews, good reviews, how many jobs they have actually done, and what they will be giving you. So you can also let them know that you want SEO friendly blogs. So you can see this person is writing blog for like $25 per hour. Then this one is like $15 per hour, $35 per hour. Then we can find like very cheap writers as well. That is actually helpful for us. It depends on the country too, and you can customize your country. You can customize your search in order to find the best writer. So you can see this one, $35 per hour. So this way you will be able to outsource your SEO content if you have a blog. Similarly, any niche you want to go for, sign up for Fiverr.com or Upwork.com to outsource your work and find people to work for you online. You can also provide them with keywords if you want for the SEO. You can let them know your website and tell them what you are looking for. This way, you will be able to create SEO friendly content that will help your website with the SEO. It will improve the SEO of your website and it will rank higher in Google search result and get more traffic. I hope that I was a big help to you guys, and now you know how to outsource your SEO content and how to find the best people out there for your business. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.